Hi, I'm Zoe. Welcome to my first episode. My parents got me a project car, a 1994 Mustang. Now let's go pick it up.
Hey Zozo,
Hola.
are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go get your car. Just gonna hose it down with degreaser while it's on the trailer so we can pressure wash it. Like brand new. You like it?
Yeah.
Mint. I mean, it's a good 20 footer, but just spraying everything down with degreaser before we do the full pressure wash.
My Uncle Kurt towed the car to my Uncle Jimmy so that way we could pressure wash it.
Just squeeze. There you go. See? And now throttle it back. Now get close.
My Uncle Kurt also helped pressure wash it. Let's take a walk around.
Alright, let's check it out. 1994 Mustang. We got it for her birthday. You want to show us the interior? So,
Yep, pretty great, guys.
it's pretty sweet.
Yep, all put together.
Yeah, it's like brand new.
Yep.
Alright, let's check out the back of it. We're just doing this in that. Oh, alright. Self-closing doors. We're just doing this in our little two-car garage. Trunk is currently locked with a bolt.
Fun.
We had already taken the door panels off because the previous owner shaved the locks off of it. So in case it got locked, we wouldn't be able to get in. So we took the door panels off to roll down the windows. Let's show them what's under the hood. Look at all that. There's so much room for activities.
Yep. So spacious.
Yep. We'll be putting a 302 in it. It's at the machine shop right now.
We will be removing the interior and possibly starting on removing the front clip.
Thankfully, most of the interior is already partially removed and not bolted in. The reason why we're going to remove the front clip is because since we're doing a color change on this, we want the inside and all the underneath pieces to match. Now push that way. There you go. Quick detach seats.
Yep. You know. Happy?
Careful with that. Okay.
What is that?
Center console. And the other plastic pieces.
There's one over there.
Pretty gauge cluster. And somebody got crafty.
Yep. Gross.
Let's get a bag for those.
Okay.
Or actually, put them all in this. There's a little push thing in there that you gotta push with that. Little push tab. You see it? It's white.
It's white. Nothing like a dead moth, guys. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Can't see jack squat. Oh.
Alright, looks like you got it. Now you gotta do the other side.
Okay.
There's this in case it's hard to see. You just push in. Here, get down there so you can see. Here's a flashlight. Just push in, you don't pry. You think it needs some WD?
I don't know. I'm just trying to find it.
Spray some WD-40 in there. It's 30 years old, so that's good.
One eternity later.
This thing's broken. It's like you pried on it and broke the tab off.
Fun.
So I don't know how to get it off. Yeah. Crawl in there and feed the seatbelts through.
Okay.
Don't push down on it. Have to redo it all over again. Here, hold on.
Your arm is very cold.
Oh, hit my head. I don't need that. I don't need my head.
Yep, totally. Yay.
All right, fold those down.
Okay. Both of them? Okay.
Just gotta take out those 3 bolts without losing them.
Oh no.
All right. We'll find it when we take the rest of the seat out.
No fun.
Not enough power?
There you go.
Hold on, you're taking the whole frame with it.
think that's what we're supposed to do.
I don't think so.
Because we had to undo this thing.
Oh, there's 2 more bolts.
Oh, we're special.
Apparently we took out bolts we didn't need to.
Where? Oh, in here?
Yeah.
Wait.
You can just put it in there finger tight. Good?
Can't find the freaking... Okay, yeah. Yeah, it wasn't a line, so I couldn't put it in. I'm being harassed by the door.
Thank you, buddy.
Get out those dead knobs.
You go on the other side and see if that brake and clutch assembly will just lift out.
The what now?
There's a brake and clutch assembly laying on the ground.
Okay. Such a great father.
Thank you.
This is as far as we could get for this episode. In the next episode, we'll be taking the front clip off. Thank you for watching.